Hi everyone, this is David back with another what's new in Descript video. And if I go to what was released yesterday, July 15th 2025, new in rooms, that is a new control room, and it's been a long requested feature, and it lets producers and collaborators manage live recording sessions without appearing on screen or in the final recording. So this was in Squadcast, the backstage feature. And if I just click on this image, open a new tab, zoom in slightly, you can see what everything looks like. There is the recording room and now a control room where you can have your producer kind of just check in on everything as it progresses. So that's a cool new addition in Descript. So control room introduces two new roles, producer and co-host, creating flexible workflows for professional production teams. So you can add producers, they operate from the recording room while remaining completely invisible. You won't be seen, heard, or recorded. You can also assign co-hosts. Co-hosts can do everything a host can do. And then we've got push to talk. Producers can use the push to talk button to temporarily speak to everyone or individuals in the recording room to provide discrete guidance or keep talent on track. Next up, is direct messaging. Team members can chat privately during sessions through DMs, enabling discrete behind-the-scenes communication. So live annotations with editor comments. Producers, co-hosts, and hosts can use either editor comment button to add timestamp comments that sync directly into Descript script in the editor, helping editors quickly locate key moments. So that's highly welcome. For example, you can cut here. That is like an editor comment. And then you now have complete control with new roles. Producers and co-hosts have all power of host, including managing settings, guests' AV inputs, and controlling the recording start and stop. So control room is available now for business and enterprise plans. The business plan supports up to 3 producers in the control room, while enterprise plan support up to 10 producers. Whether you're coordinating talent, managing high stakes interviews, or ensuring flawless production quality, control room gives you the professional flexibility needed to deliver polished content every time. There is now new stock speakers for non-English languages. That's new. So Descript now offers stock speakers for multiple non-English languages. The new voices allow you to create more natural sounding content in languages beyond English, with speakers specifically optimized for accurate punctuation and authentic delivery. So stock speakers are now available for Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, that is Brazil, Polish, Dutch, Turkish, Swedish. These specialized voices help you create professional multilingual content with natural intonation and accent. To access these speakers, click on the 3-line drop-down in the speaker menu, set non-English speakers to show, and select the appropriate AI voice when working with non-English text. So we also now have a text to avatar. Create custom avatars with just a prompt. So as we can see this example here, like this is an AI avatar, while is a marketing professional, it's under the customs option. So if I go here and say create with AI speaker, and then just choose whoever, choose speaker, and then when you come to avatar, click on custom, and then just describe what you want. You can just have this brainstorm for you, and it changes depending on what you want. Just pre-made prompts if you don't have anything going on or you are not creative at that moment. So that's text to AI avatar right there. You can create custom avatars with just a prompt, so you don't actually need to upload a photo. Just use that. And then we've got some editor updates. Ducking is now lower audio of other layers. So it seems the ducking feature was a little bit confusing to most people. So if I select this particular video, and then we can go back and read a little bit, we've renamed ducking audio effect to lower audio of other layers to make it more intuitive and easier to understand, especially for new users. Along with this name change, we've also made an important workflow improvement. This effect is no longer applied by default to any layer. This change helps us ensure that audio mixing remains more intentional and predictable in your projects. These updates are part of our ongoing effort to make Descript features more accessible while giving you greater control over your audio mixing process. So if we look at this, and just show the timeline, and then bring this up slightly. We can go and check on stock media. Do I have anything stock? Let's go to stock right here, and then go to audio, and then just say, just drag and drop an audio file, let's say right there. So normally what happens is it's importing the audio as we go. Normally if you play like this,
Hey there, if you've ever wondered,
so the audio may be loud, but if I select the audio and then check on the layer, we have the audio effects. We also have this, and the lower audio of other layers is turned on when I click on that. So let's uncheck that, and then we have it originally here.
hey there, if you've ever wondered.
So you see the instrumental is kind of doing the voiceover. So you need to select your voiceover file, whether it's in the script or anywhere else, and then click on lower audio of other layers. So once you do that, this is what happens.
Hey there, if you've ever wondered how to start freelancing using AI.
So the music is still there, but it's been lowered for you to have everything working, or you to be audible in your videos with some background music. So that's that. We've also got some other edit updates. We now support emojis in text layers when you publish your project. In the past, this could cause errors. If you add an avatar to speaker in a project with a screen recording in the script or without a script track, we'll now automatically put the avatar in a speaker bubble. And then they've got something new. This is new in labs, upload from mobile. We've added a new lab setting that allows you to upload files into your projects from your mobile device. This is especially useful for users who record media using a smartphone rather than a digital camera. Once you toggle it on, just click the upload from mobile button in your project to receive a QR code. Scan the QR code, and you can then add any media files from your device directly into your project. That's a really good one, really handy feature. This is what it's going to look like. And then it says make sure you're logged into descript.com on your mobile device. Scan this QR code with your camera app to upload media to the project tab. So that's a highly welcome feature as well, upload from mobile. And then they fixed a bunch of bugs right there, but those are more or less the released new features. Control room in rooms, where you can add producers, co-hosts and all that. But remember, this is only available for business and enterprise plans. We also have new stock speakers for non-English languages. And then we have text to avatar, that is creating custom avatars with just a prompt. And it has some pre-made prompts for you if you're not in the creative mode at the time. And then ducking is now lower audio of other layers, which is highly welcome. And then you can upload from mobile, but just this is still in labs. So obviously to enable labs, just go to the labs feature in the settings right there, and then scroll down. You can see it here, mobile upload, set it on, and then you can quickly use it to upload files from your mobile device. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.